Filipino solo parent and hardworking mom. Foreigners come to the Philippines with dreams of love, companionship, and maybe even a fresh start. From my perspective, the big debate is who really provides a better relationship experience for a foreigner, a young single Filipina in an age gap romance, or a seasoned single Filipina mom who already knows life struggles. In today's episode, I will break down the real differences and why many foreigners eventually realize that a single Filipino mom gave something a younger age gap partner simply cannot. A single Filipino mom is battle tested. She has had heartbreaks, struggles, sleepless nights raising a child, and surviving without constant support. This means she understands responsibility, emotions, and reality. Compare this with a younger Filipina in a wide age gap relationship. She may be beautiful, exciting, and carefree, but often immature, insecure, and still figuring out her identity. For a foreigner who values peace of mind, the maturity of a single mom can feel like a breath or fresh air. A Filipino mom is not looking to waste her time. She is not chasing Instagram likes, TikTok clout, or wild nightlife. She's looking for stability, a partner who can share life's responsibilities. While a younger age gap Filipina may still be testing her options, a mom is often far more loyal, committed, and appreciative of a man who truly steps up. Many foreign men, especially retirees, are not just looking for romance. They want meaning and to feel needed. A single Filipina mom provides that instantly. Not only does she offer love, but she also gives a foreigner a chance to play a role in her child's life. Suddenly, he is not just a boyfriend or husband. He is part of a family. Compare this with a younger Filipina who may see the relationship more as an adventure or even a financial upgrade rather than a life mission. A younger Filipina in a big age gap relationship may expect luxury trips, money transfers to her family, and the lifestyle she sees on social media. A Filipino mom does not. She is usually far more realistic. She knows money doesn't grow on trees, and she values consistency more than flash. A foreigner doesn't feel like he has to constantly impress her because she appreciates small, steady acts of care. For many single moms, stability equals survival. When a foreigner provides that stability, she is deeply grateful. They're not comparing him to a thousand other options. The single Filipino mom knows what chaos feels like, so she values peace in a way a younger age gap Filipina often cannot. A younger Filipina offers youth, beauty, energy, and maybe less baggage. But the single Filipina mom offers wisdom, loyalty, peace, and family values. Consequently, the question becomes, what do you really want as a foreigner? Do you want the roller coaster of youth or the steady journey of maturity? A single Filipino mom provides substance, emotional stability, loyalty, family, gratitude, and purpose. Things that youth, beauty, and excitement often can't sustain. For a partner looking for a long term, fulfilling relationship, the single Filipina mom might just be the unsung hero of love in the Philippines. If you are a foreigner thinking about your option here, remember this. Age gap dating is exciting, but a single mom can give you something far deeper. Which one would you choose? It's a decision that will make a significant difference in your retirement, health, welfare, and well being. Make the right decision or choose and accept the outcome and consequences. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.